Good afternoon, guys. So today on my second episode, I want to give you a nice review of the hotel facility. The hotel name is over here, Regency Mount Kenya View Hotel. We are located in Timau area in Meru County, in between Nanyuki and Meru. So we are located in Timau region. So this is a part of the accommodation area, and this is a parking space right in front of your accommodation area. You can see very enough space can accommodate close to, let's say, 15 comfortable SUVs. And now I'll give you a sneak peek of the inside the room. uh, I'll show you one of our standard double deluxe room. Here we go. So on the entrance here we have the bed space over here, a good king size bed, 6 by 6, comfortable for 2 people going on a nice vacation. On the other side, we have a TV in our rooms. You can watch your favorite channels, news, anything from the all over the world. And here we have a small dressing cupboard area. Here you can place your clothes or anything inside there. And here we have a small entry stand where you can put your luggage, shoes, or anything. And on this side of the room we have a washroom and a bathroom area. Here is the dressing mirror, the sink, and then just right behind the toilet area we have a private bathroom space. You can see with the mirror door, quite enough for you guys. Some you want to take a shower with your lovely one, there's enough space for you to enjoy the time in the shower. And now I take you to the magic area. This is your bed over here, and you have a balcony, full glass window balcony right on your side. This is facing the Mount Kenya, and there we go. You can see Mount Kenya right from the background. That is the peak of Mount Kenya, Lenana, Batian. Those ones who know about the 3 peaks of Mount Kenya, they know. And now below your room, this is the balcony area. First I can show you the balcony area. This is the sitting balcony area with some 2 plastic chairs. You can sit and relax on your balcony as you enjoy the breeze from the forest. This is the famous Ngarendare forest over here. So I'll be sharing you a story in my next episodes about the Ngarendare forest. Here we have the big five. You can, when you book with us, you get to enjoy these nice views, scenic experience, yeah, right from the hotel space, in your bedroom, from your balcony, from the swimming pool area. I'll be sharing with you all these things that we have at the facility. So you see, you get to enjoy these nice views of the forest area. There's a seasonal river down there where here down we have a seasonal river flowing down here. I wish we had rains, you could have seen magic. There is a pool of water that comes from that side, storm water running all the way, making that noise. It feels so nice. And now right below your room you have a viewpoint area. This space you can sit and relax, have your champagne, your coffee, tea, a glass of soda, wine. You can relax at the viewpoint area as you enjoy the breath from the forest, as you enjoy the views of the Mount Kenya right in front of you. And I encourage you guys, book with us. You'll get to enjoy very nice experience with us. Actually, we are in the center of the famous uh, wildlife wildlife let's say wildlife conservancies. We are bordering Borana on the right, that is 10 minutes from us, and we are bordering Lewa Wildlife Conservancy on the left, that is like 30 minutes from us. Then we are bordering Mount Kenya from us, that is Mount Kenya Wildlife Conservancy. That is our drive from here. We are bordering Oljogi Wildlife Conservancy. uh, you guys book and you get to enjoy some nice experience right here at Regency Mount Kenya View Hotel. See you in my next video. I'll be sharing with you what's up next when you guys watch this video. Comment, like, and share. Whatever you need to know from us, kindly let us know on time so that you guys can enjoy staying with us, and we get to know each other better, and see you next in my next video.